Hi, this is Rodessa from Brookside Properties. Am I speaking with Miss Julie?
Yes, this is Julie speaking.
Hi, Miss Julie. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. I understand you're considering selling your home. Is that correct?
Yes, I'm thinking about it.
Great. I'd love to help you with the process. So, to start, can you tell me a bit about your property? For instance, the type of home, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and its location.
Sure, it's a four-bedroom, three-bathroom house in Fillmore Street, San Francisco.
That sounds like a lovely property. What motivated you to consider selling?
Oh, we're planning to downsize now that our kids have moved out.
That makes sense. Downsizing can be a big change, and I'm here to make the selling process as smooth as possible for you. Have you had your home appraised recently?
Oh no, not yet.
No worries, I can arrange for a free market analysis to give you an idea of your home's current value. When would be a convenient time for me to come by and take a look at your property?
How about Friday afternoon?
Friday afternoon works for me. I'll come by at 1 to do a walkthrough and discuss the market analysis with you. Before we meet, is there anything specific you'd like to know or any concerns you have about selling?
Yeah, I'm curious about how long it might take to sell the property.
Oh, that's a great question. The time frame can vary, but I'll provide you with the detailed market reports on Friday to give you an estimate based on similar properties in your area. That sounds good.
Yes, that sounds helpful.
Excellent. I look forward to meeting you on Friday. In the meantime, if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Have a great day and
Thank
thank
you,
you.
same to you.
Thank you. Bye.